one where the group 9, we will perform an experiment which is extract DNA from a mung bean. We're from the College of Accountancy and we're first year college students. So first, to extract DNA from a mung bean, first we'll do is, we have the mung bean, soaked mung bean, then the table salt, water, cold water, the liquid detergent, the enzyme, and then the alcohol. First is, we'll soak this mung bean in a water for about overnight because we have to remove the hulls in this mung bean. So after an overnight, this is the result of mung bean. The hulls are already extracted. So first, we'll blend this soft mung bean. Our next step is we'll blend the soft mung bean together with a pinch of salt, and we'll put a cold water and make it sure that it is twice as much as your the quantity of your soft mung bean. This soft mung bean, water and salt for about 15 seconds and making sure that it is in the maximum level. So after 15 seconds, this is your source of DNA. And then, and after blending the soft mung bean, we'll strain now the source of DNA to a container. So after straining this source of DNA, we have to add the fresh pineapple juice that would be the source of our enzyme for about 1 teaspoon. And then after adding the source of enzyme, we'll put the liquid detergent, a small amount of liquid detergent. Then after putting the liquid detergent and the source of enzyme, our next process is we'll tilt this container. So after putting the liquid detergent and the source of enzyme, we will stir this mixture slowly. Then after stirring this one, we'll now tilt the container and slowly pour rubbing alcohol on the side of the container. Make it sure that it is the same as the volume of the DNA source or the DNA mixture. And then after putting the same amount of alcohol, let us make it sure that it's 70% solution so that it could extract the DNA. Shucks, asan yung DNA? Ayun, nakita ko na. So after this, we'll now have the final step, which is the extracting of the DNA. So to extract the DNA, we can draw out the DNA into the alcohol layer, and this is the result. Focus mo. So here, the strands of DNA. This is the result of extracting DNA from a mung bean. the DNA.
Yun na yun, diba?
Okay na.
So that ends our experiment in extracting the DNA. Thank you, and we hope that you learn from our experiment.